Welcome back to our channel. Today the Suzuki Carry CL 2025 is the latest addition to Suzuki's lineup of compact commercial vehicles, designed to meet the evolving needs of small businesses and logistics. Built for efficiency, durability, and practicality, this lightweight truck continues the legacy of the Carry series while incorporating modern advancements that make it a standout choice in its category. At first glance, the exterior design of the Suzuki Carry CL 2025 appears more refined yet maintains its rugged appeal. A newly designed front grille gives it a more prominent look, while the inclusion of LED headlights ensures improved visibility and energy efficiency. The compact size remains a key selling point, allowing easy maneuverability in urban environments, tight alleys, and congested streets. The reinforced chassis adds to its strength, making it more reliable for carrying heavy loads over long distances. Under the hood, the 2025 model comes equipped with an improved fuel-efficient engine, offering a balance between power and economy. The latest iteration of Suzuki's small-capacity engine technology ensures lower emissions without compromising on performance. Whether used for transporting goods, delivery services, or small-scale construction work, the Carry CL 2025 delivers a smooth driving experience with enhanced load-bearing capabilities. The improved suspension system also plays a crucial role in maintaining stability, even when fully loaded. Inside the cabin, Suzuki has focused on enhancing driver comfort and functionality. The ergonomic dashboard layout features intuitive controls, allowing for effortless operation. A more spacious cabin design provides better legroom, reducing fatigue during long working hours. Additionally, modern connectivity features such as Bluetooth integration, a touchscreen infotainment system, and USB charging ports ensure that drivers stay connected while on the go. Safety enhancements include an advanced braking system, airbags, and stability control, further improving driver confidence on their